Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach the topic further differentiation. In that I am going to explain the concept of rates of change. What is the rate of change? See here, actually the gradient means m is equals to dy by dx means change in y by change in x means differentiation with respect to x. We are doing differentiation of y with respect to x. Rate of change in y. The rate of change y with respect to t means that is dy by dt. The rate of change in y is dy by dt. The rate of change in x means dx by dt. Okay, so when you are doing this dy by dt, so dy by dx into, you can apply the chain rule over here. So dy by with, see generally previously I have explained you dy by dx is equals to, when I am giving the parametric equation dy by dt by dx by dt. We have done in the same way here. Dy by dt is nothing but dy by dx, and see here dy by dt is nothing but dy by dx and dx dt by dx. So if you do cross multiplication, you will be getting like this. Okay, the rate of change in y means dy by dt means with respect to time. Okay, now it will be like this. Now see here, it is a time over here. Okay, now if you observe over here some questions, you can understand how exactly it is going to be considered. A point is moving along the curve y is equals to 8 by 3 x square minus 2 in such a way that x coordinate is increasing at the rate. Increasing is nothing but positive. Decreasing rate is nothing but negative it will be. Okay. It will be 0.005 units per second. This by seeing the measurements also, you can assume that that is the rate of change. Units per second. Rate of change means here dy by dt. It's nothing but what, suppose this is meters are there. So meters per second. It is depending on centimeters per second, like that. Okay. Now find the rate of change in y coordinates means dy by dt we have to find at the point passing through the 2 comma 4. Okay. Now say here. First of all, what it is given over 8 by x square minus 2. And he has given that dx by dt is equals to, what is that? 0.005 units per second. Okay. Now you go for this chain rule over here. Okay, now if I'm doing chain rule, it's easy to simplify that. Okay, now what I'm doing, 8 into x square minus 2 whole to the power of minus 1 I'm writing. Dy by, with respect to t I'm doing. Why? Because we need to find the rate of change in y. So dy by dt. So now, see, one thing you need to remember. Suppose whenever it is given like if these both are in terms of y and x, with respect to t, I am doing means y differentiation will be dy by dt. A same formula apply that, like x to the power of n formula. What is that? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Again, differentiation of inner part d by dt of x square minus 2. Okay, now, so which is equals to minus 8 x square minus 2 whole to the power of minus 2. Again, differentiation of x square is 2x. Again, x differentiation, again chain rule dx by dt. With respect to t, I am doing. Suppose with respect to x means no need to write again. See, x square differentiation when I am doing with respect to x means straight away we'll put that 2x. Here, whenever I am doing with respect to t, so this is another variable 2x. Again, x chain rule dx by dt you can write over here. Okay, constant obviously 0. Okay, now minus 8 by x square minus 2 whole square. This is 2x into dx by dt. Okay, now just keep it like that. Then we have to find that dy by dt when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. At this point, they said our point is 2 comma 4. X is equals to, y is equals to. And dx by dt is given that 0.005. X value is 2 and dx by dt is this one. So we need to find dy by dt. So dy by dt is equals to, what is that? Minus 8 by x is 2. 2 square is 4 minus 2, 2. 2 square is 4. into 2 into x is 2. Again, 0 dx by dt is 0.005. Okay, so now we simplify this one. 4 gets cancelled. Now 8 into 0.05 is nothing but 0.085 is 40. So 0.04 units. You mentioned the measurements also. Units also you have mentioned per second. Okay, dx dy by dt is equals to this will be what it is 0.04. This is how we have to simplify the problem whenever dx by dt is given and x value is given. You need to check that. Okay, now let us see the next problem. See here. Now, a sphere of radius r and volume is v and the radius increasing at the rate this one. So radius increasing means centimeters per second. So dr by dt is given. What is that? 1 by 2 pi centimeters per second. Okay. And find the rate of increase the volume when v is equals to 36 pi. Okay. Now see here, actually volume of the sphere. What is the formula? Volume of sphere is what it is volume of the sphere. Sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so and see here we have to find that what it is order find the rate of increasing volume means dv by dt we have to find. Okay, na dv by dt. Okay, so we do one thing. What I am doing over here? If I am doing over here, v is equals to 36 pi is given over here. Okay, so v is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now if v is 36 pi, okay, find the r value also. Now pi gets cancelled, 4 ones, 4 times 9. Okay, 3 times 9, 27 is equals to r cube. R is equals to 3 cube is r is 3 we got. R we got, dr by dt we got. We need to find dv by dt. Once again, I am writing volume of the sphere. This is sphere only, na? Yeah. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now differentiate with respect to time. dv by dt. 4 by 3 pi constant. d by dt of r cube. 4 by 3 pi 3r square into r differentiation with respect to time dr by dt. Okay, now so substitute all the values. 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 pi r is nothing but 3 dr by dt. What is given over here? 1 by 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi. Pi gets cancelled. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 9 times 2, 18. 18, this is volume. Volume is cubic units. Centimeters, this is given centimeters only radius. So centimeters cube per second. Centimeters cube per second. Volume is cubic centimeters only now. Okay. This is how we have to simplify dv by dt. Okay. Next. See here. Now listen here. Yeah, he has given that the diagram shows a right circular cone with radius is 10. Radius is given that 10. Okay, now and height is given 30. So radius is 10 centimeters, height is given that 30 centimeters cone. Cone initially completely filled with the water. Initially, water leaks out of the cone, a small hole at the vertex rate of 4 cubic centimeters per second. Okay, it leaks out means it is decreasing. Decreasing nothing but dv by dt is equals to minus 4 centimeters cube per second. That is given. Okay. Now show that the volume of the water on the cone B when height of the water h is given by formula V is equals to pi h cube by 27. Okay. Now see here. Actually, volume of the cone formula, what it is? Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone will be this one. Okay. Now, say here you need to assume one thing. Here what I'm doing over it, just to join this. Okay, this you join and you take this one. Okay, this is radius is small r you take. Okay, we don't know that one. And this will be small h, capital H will be the total height will be this one. These two are similar triangles. So this I am taking O. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCB, OCD. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding ratios are proportional. Lengths of the corresponding ratios are proportional. Means small cone is R, radius is R, capital, so bigger cone radius is 10, which is equals to small cone height will be H, bigger cone height will be 30. 0 gets cancelled, R is equals to H by 3. So this R value substitute, we have to get it in terms of H only. So R value substitute, volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi. R is nothing but H by 3 whole square into H. So 1 by 3 pi H square by 9 H. So it will be 1 by 27 pi H cube. So that's what they're asking us to show that. See here. Now, next one is what it is over here. Find the rate of change in H. Means we need to find dH by dt. We need to find dH by dt. Okay. Now, when H is equals to 20 is given. So, and already has given that volume dV by dt is given. You can apply that one. Okay. And V is equals to given what it is over here. 1 by 27 pi H cube. dV by dt you find out. dV by dt with respect to time 1 by 27 pi. H cube is 3h square into again H differentiation is dH by dt. This will be minus 4 pi by 3 times 9 pi by 9. H is equals to what it is given over here 20. So 20 whole square dH by dt we require to find. Okay. Now say here send this at minus 4 into 9 by 20 square is 400 pi, which is dH by dt. So 4 times 1, 4 times 100. So dH by dt is nothing but minus 9 by 100 pi. It's centimeters per second. Means the height is decreasing at the rate of the height is decreasing. Okay, na minus you got na decreasing. How much it is decreasing? 9 by 100 by centimeters per second. Okay, this is how we have to simplify the problem. I hope you have understood my explanation clearly. Thank you.